So you also talk about the idea of upskilling and reskilling and how important that is for employees. Start off by telling us the difference between the two and why these two are so important.
Well, upskilling is taking what you have and getting a lot better. Okay, taking that skill and taking it to the next level. Reskilling is giving yourself a skill that you just don't have. I had to reskill my communication ability. Early on in my career, I was very nervous when I spoke, and wasn't a good communicator. And I realized that if I was going to move up the ladder, I was going to have to get a lot better at it. So I had to build a skill that I really didn't have. Okay, I also came up on the marketing side, so I had to build my financial skills. Okay. And so I went to, the Wharton School for Non-Financial Executives, and I got that kind of training. Okay. Upskilling is just, is taking skills that you have, leveraging your strengths. Okay. And making sure the rest of the organization, can build off of that. For example, I was always, that's what I think I did with leadership when I taught taking people with you. I was trying to up that skill in the organization because I knew that if I could create better leaders in the organization, we would get better results.